This is lecture 1, Intrinsic Semiconductor Electronic Devices. So let's know what is this. Intrinsic semiconductor is a semiconductor which is undoped and known as pure semiconductor. There is no any significant dopant species present. For example, silicon and germanium. If a semiconductor which is pure, no any external material or impurities are added, that semiconductor is known as intrinsic. So first point is definition should be clear. Diagram. Here you can see that there are two bands present. The below band is valence band and above band is conduction band. The energy gap present between them is known as forbidden energy gap. At a temperature 0 Kelvin, the electrons are completely filled in the valence band, while the conduction band is totally empty for an intrinsic semiconductor. If the temperature increase from 0 Kelvin, here you can see that some of the electrons are excited due to the thermal excitation process and it goes to conduction band. So there are two cases arises for an intrinsic semiconductor. If a temperature is at 0 Kelvin, the valence band is completely filled and the conduction band is empty. While if the temperature is greater than 0 Kelvin, the valence band is not completely filled. Some of the electrons have already excited from the valence band to the conduction band.